In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and place multiple images in Canva. If you're creating a collage, a presentation, or a social post, this workflow is quick and beginner-friendly. We'll start by opening your design, bring in several images at once, and then place them on the canvas, with an optional tip using frames and grids to make everything snap into place. First, head to canva.com and log in. Open an existing design you're working on, or create a new one by choosing a template or a custom size. Give the canvas a moment to load so all the side panels appear. You'll see your main toolbar on the left and the blank canvas area in the center. That's where everything will land. Next, let's bring in your images. On the left sidebar, click I will uploads, then choose Upload Files. Your file picker will open, and you can select multiple images at once. A quick tip. On most computers, you can hold Shift to select a range or hold Control or Command to select individual files. Choose the photos you want. JPGs and PNGs work great, and confirm. You'll see thumbnails appear in the Uploads panel as they upload. Wait until you see each one fully processed so they're ready to use without delays. Now, place your images into the design. Click and drag any uploaded image from the panel directly onto the canvas. It will drop wherever you release it. To add more, repeat the drag and drop process one by one. If you already have placeholders or pre-made frames on your design, you can drag a photo right into a frame and it will snap to fit automatically. If not, no problem. Just place images freely and arrange them as you like. If you want an easy way to organize several images with clean alignment, try the optional frames and grids. Click the Elements tab on the left and search for frames or grids. Drag a frame or a grid layout onto your canvas. Once it's there, drag any image from Uploads directly into a slot. Canva will auto-fit the image inside the frame, giving you a neat, consistent look without manual cropping. Grids are especially handy for collages or multi-image posts. That's it. Open your design, upload multiple images, drag them onto the canvas, and if you want everything to align perfectly, use frames or grids from Elements for instant, polished results. Pause here, try it with your own images, and you'll have a clean layout in minutes.